Simple tenses.
Hi Rima, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I played with my younger brother.
You mean you played with your younger brother?
Oops, I always get confused with tenses. Can you please help me recall what tenses are and how to use them?
Sure. We know that verbs are action words. They tell us which action is taking place. For example, walk, read, dance, cook, and jump. They also tell us the state of being, which means what or how a noun is. For example, am, are, is, was, and were.
But what happens when that action has already taken place or will take place? Do we use the same verb or does it change?
Tenses tell us the time of an action, whether it happened in the past, is happening now, always happens, or will happen in the future. We decide the tense based on when we are speaking. The state of being at the time of speaking is in the present tense. For example, I am tall. This shows that I am tall now. The state of being before the time of speaking is expressed through the past tense. For example, I was short. This shows that I used to be short before. The state of being after the time of speaking is expressed through the future tense. For example, I will be taller. This shows that my height will increase in some years. These three are the simple tenses.
Now, I have understood the tenses and when to use which tense.
Yes, but there is more to it. We have looked at the state of being verbs. Now, let us look at how actions are expressed in the correct tense. The simple present tense tells us about facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. It also tells us about the actions that happen regularly or about habits. For example, Gaurav cooks dinner for his family every day. The simple past tense is used for actions that happened before the time of speaking. For example, Gaurav cooked dinner for the guests last Monday. The simple future tense is used for actions that will happen after the time of speaking. For example, Gaurav will cook dinner for all of us tomorrow.
Thank you, Hina. Now I will not get confused while using tenses.